everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the iVendi stock engine feature in the iVendi platform. A quick and easy way to ensure quoting accuracy in just a few clicks. The stock engine allows you to optimize your dealership's stock directly from the iVendi platform, allowing you to improve the quoting accuracy of your live stock. So let's take a look at how to fix listings with low data accuracy. Access your stock via the Stock Engine button on the left-hand panel. This feature is visible on every page, so you can easily jump into it at any point. Here, you can review, filter, and search your listings. Stock is categorized using a star rating system. 3 stars signifies good quality data. 2 stars means that there is a potential data issue. A 1-star rating highlights a severe data issue, and a no-star rating means there is no taxonomy data available. You can filter your stock by clicking the boxes here. Let's start with a 0-star rating. We're going to filter the results by 0 stars and click Fix Issues. From the supplied data, we are unable to find a matching vehicle to provide a quote. To fix this, select the correct derivative from the list provided or use the search bar. Once you have found the correct vehicle, you can choose either Confirm and Exit or Confirm and Quote. By selecting Confirm and Quote, this will take you into the Quick Quote function on the platform. Confirm and Exit will return you to the stock page. Now we're going to filter by 1-star ratings. 1-star ratings are a result of a mismatch between the vehicle model, derivative, body style, and/or transmission. There's a discrepancy between information supplied and what we're using to quote with. Again, we're going to select Fix Issues and then select the correct derivative from the list or use the search bar. Once we've found the correct vehicle, we again have the option to save and exit or save and quote. Back on the stock page, we're now going to filter by 2-star ratings. 2 stars means we suspect there could be a difference between your supplied vehicle data and the data we use for quoting. The most common mismatch is a difference between derivatives. Once you have selected the correct vehicle, again, you can save and exit or save and quote. For 3-star ratings, Fix Issue won't appear as an option, as there is a high degree of confidence that your supplied vehicle description matches the data we use for quoting. From here, you can go straight to the Quick Quote feature by selecting Quote. You can build and send a digital deal to the customer by selecting Send Deal, or you can edit the quoting data by selecting Amend Vehicle. And that's it. That's the stock engine. A quick and easy way to review and amend data conflicts in just a few clicks. Thanks for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you need any further support, please contact us on support@ivendi.com.